Social media for business, maximizing the benefits of online marketing. Social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to showcase their products or services and interact with their customers. It offers a platform for businesses to engage with their audience. Build relationships and increase their brand awareness. In this article, we will explore some ways businesses can maximize the benefits of social media marketing to promote their products or services. 1. Building a brand presence. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are perfect for building a brand presence. These platforms allow businesses to create a profile, share their products, and engage with their audience. By posting relevant and engaging content regularly, a business can establish a brand presence and build a community of followers. This community can then be used to promote the business products or services. 2. Leveraging social media advertising. Social media platforms enable businesses to launch targeted advertising campaigns to connect with potential customers. The platforms also allow businesses to track the performance of their campaigns, adjust their budget based on performance, and optimize their ad targeting settings. Social media advertising can help businesses build brand awareness, generate leads, and increase engagement. It's an effective way to reach a large audience and showcase products to potential customers. 3. Improving customer service. Social media offers businesses an opportunity to improve their customer service. Customers can reach out to a business through their social media profile and ask questions or raise concerns about a product or service. Businesses can use social media to respond quickly to these inquiries and provide excellent customer service. This can help build brand loyalty and customer satisfaction. 4. Conducting market research. Social media platforms offer businesses valuable insights into their audience. By analyzing user behavior, businesses can gain a better understanding of their customers' needs, interests, and preferences. This information can be used to guide marketing strategies, improve product development, and inform business decisions. Social media platforms provide access to rich data and analytics that can help businesses understand their audience and build better products. 5. Creating quality content. The key to success on social media is creating quality content that resonates with your audience. This content can be in the form of videos, images, blogs, infographics, or any other media that captures the audience's attention. Creating quality content requires a good understanding of the audience's needs, preferences, and interests. Businesses must create content that aligns with their brand message and captures the attention of their audience. 6. Engaging with the audience. Social media is a two-way communication channel that offers businesses an opportunity to engage with their audience. By responding to comments and messages, businesses can build a relationship with their followers and earn their trust. Businesses can also use social media to run contests, giveaways, polls,